be it fashion or interiors. Designing has been since childhood, I would say. And this is one way I can just do what I want to do. Like, I'm working because I love working what I'm working.
I always, look for, I had a thing for creating stuff from small things. Be it fabrics, be it material, be it if I get anything around me, I would want to decorate it. I always wanted to get into designing, and I got through NIF. I'm from a NIF background, and I interned with the legendary designer Zandra Rhodes in UK. And then I worked with Ravindra Rathore in 2006 for 6 months. And from 2007, I started my own work. My designs are very young, very hip, and they are for customers who would want to play with the worker. If you see my clothing, they're not very in a very straight cut. They would have something unique in terms of drapes, in terms of cuts. You'll see different. They are not. They are overstated, yet very subtle.
We have skilled craftsmen and artisans. If you see our collection, we have very intricate embroidery. You see a mix of Zardozi and Ari, and we really take care of the quality of beads and everything we use. So our craftsmen are, they are educated like in terms of the kind of workmanship we want is what we get.
I've seen competition. I've seen, there's so much creativity around, which has helped me made a better designer every year. Every year I've taken a step forward, and where I've met many new people who are doing really well, which inspire me. I want to start a menswear line is what the brand is planning to.
Quality checks, I would say, our garments are once made, are sent to a unit. Quality control is being done. So there, everything from the trims to the beads to the stains, everything it's being taken care of. It try to do is we try to employ people who are deprived and who are obviously good at their work, and also we try to buy our things which we create ourselves later on, use them, like in terms of fabric we try to get them from people from different crafts of India, where people like, for example, Dastkar and these kind of places, there are women working and making stuff which we help them promote their work as well by implementing them in our